Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to find and use Bitget coupons. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Bitget application on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version. After that, you want to click on the top left corner of the screen and it's going to bring you to your profile page. Simply scroll down a little bit and click on the coupons feature. After that, it's going to bring you straight up to all the available coupons that you currently have on Bitget. Now, how do you use them? Simply, you're going to see a button that says Use or Redeem. You just need to click on that button and the coupon will then be applied to reduce the transaction fee. So, whenever you make a transaction on Bitget, you're going to be charged with a transaction fee. And usually, Bitget transaction fee is around $1 per transaction. This is just the average based on what I've observed on this platform while I've had them for a little while. So yeah, that's basically how the Bitget transaction coupon code works. And it's really applicable, obviously, when you make transactions. I bet it's a bit to just make users perform more activities on their platform. So that's basically how you can find and use Bitget coupons. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.